Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5 and let me show you how to speed up this device. So at first let's open the security, you will find it on your home screen. And then you've got several options here, so at first let's open Cleaner. And give your device a few seconds, it will clean all the young data and all the files that are no longer in use. Just click on Cleanup. It will free the device from unuseful files. As you can see, there is no trash. Let's go back. Now you can select boost speed, just click on it and tap on boost speed. And that's it. Now you've got more memory on your device and your Xiaomi will work definitely faster. Then you can also tap on optimize here. So a few things can be optimized as it's 96% here, so we would like to have 100%. But it will also be done automatically. As you can see, your device is taking care of it. And here is the report. And that's it. Also, you can scan for some viruses, so give your device a while to check if you have any viruses, but as you can see, everything looks good. And that's it. You've just speed up your device. Now you can use it and enjoy the faster Xiaomi than ever. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.